vehicle again. Seconds after it parts, someone gets out. Finally, a suspected killer is about to show his face on camera. Detectives investigating the mystery of Captain Freddy's murder have honed in on a maroon truck spotted several times near the marina where he moored his boat. At 7:07 a.m. on August 30, 2 days after investigators believe Captain Freddy was murdered, one man gets out of the vehicle.
You can see the passenger exit the truck and start walking down Seminole Street towards where Fernando Silva docked his boat.
And where his body was probably left to rot. Investigators watch as the man heads past the camera to